How to add cash on delivery for Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. It is extremely simple, so let's just go ahead and get to it. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to the settings on the bottom left. Click on that, and you just want to click on the payments section. And then you simply just want to scroll down until you find the manual payments methods. Just click on manual payments method over here and select cash on delivery. So you just want to add the details and instructions. Basically, the details are going to be things that they can read beforehand, and the instructions are going to actually be after they place the order. So for example, I said pay in cash when you receive your order, which is going to be within the additional details. Again, this is going to be before they place their order. And then finally, for the payment instructions, is going to be afterwards. Like, for example, make sure you have the full amount ready. And you simply just want to click on activate cash on delivery. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Now you have cash on delivery activated for your Shopify store. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.